Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you where to access our Chapter 1 and Section 2.1 assignment. We've never turned in assignment via Blackboard before in this course. So what you'll do is you'll click into our statistics course, and this is the page that shows up, our course content page. You can click in week 1 or in week 2 because it's listed in both. So since week 2 is more current, I'm going to click right into week 2. And we have our overview. Next, we have our Chapter 2. This is a summary of what we're doing in Chapter 2. But the item A, if you look at the table of contents, is an assignment. Assignment information, it says it's due Wednesday. It's 45 points. It says to complete the attached assignment. What you'll do is you'll click on the attachment right here. And you can either print this or do the problems on a separate sheet of paper and then take a picture or scan each page and upload it to your computer. Once you have it completed and uploaded, showing all work for the frequency distribution problems, you'll submit the assignment. So when you submit the assignment, do not press Write Submission. You're going to do Browse Local Files, and you'll find the files that you uploaded, either their PDF or their pictures. Either way is fine, and attach them right here. So you browse local files and click on what's yours, upload it, and you can add comments to me if you need to here. Do not submit via comments. I would like an attachment, or you could do a written submission, but don't submit in the comments. That's more if you had something you needed me to know about yours, and then press submit down in the corner here. And this is how you'll submit your assignments. They'll show up in your weekly folders with directions and an attachment. You'll have a due date, and you'll browse local files to get your uploaded work and press submit. All right, let me know if you have any more questions. I hope you find this helpful. Have a good day.